Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man tabi'ahum bi ihsanin ila yaumiddin. Amma ba'd. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. La nabiyya ba'dah wa la rasula ba'dah. Amma ba'd. Well, hello there everyone. For this occasion, we are going to be your teacher of the day for the English material. But before we start, we would like to introduce ourselves first. Starting from me, my name is Faisal Ahmad Rabbani from 9A class.
And my name is Atila Zahranto Benkukendraya from 9A class.
And for the topic that we are going to bring today is about mental issues.
Yay! Okay.
Okay, now there will be a explanation by Mr.
Faisal.
Zafran.
Okay. So first, what is mental issue? Mental illness are health conditions involving change in. So first, does any of you know what is mental illness? Yes, Azza. What is mental illness?
Mental illness are the health conditions involving the change in emotion, thinking, combination function in or behavior combination or combination of these. Mental illness can be associated with distress and or problem functional in social, work, or family and activities. Yay!
Yeah.
Hey, you explain again. man.
So
Explain.
mental illness, like what Azza say, is a health condition, can be in changes in emotion, thinking, behavior, and others. And now the causes and when does it happen from Faisal.
Okay, so even though there is text, I'll try to kind of explain by myself.
Oh.
So the causes, especially for teenagers at this age, so many teenagers at this age already has mental issues such as depression, severe anxiety, and others. Because one of the causes here, if explained on this slide, there is about severe emotional and physical abuse. But it isn't only about abuse like physically and emotionally. There is also abuse that you can experience while in social media, for example. Maybe you get bullied or get cyberbullying in social media. That can also cause other mental illnesses such as depression and anxiety. And for one of the major reasons, because
I read it? Okay.
on the slide here, it says can trigger or aggravate some mental disorders in some people. But not everyone who goes through those things gets a mental illness. So it depends on the strength that you have. Some people can get a mental illness, and some people are strong enough to still maintain their mental health. But not all people are the same. So you have to control what you say in social media or in others.
It's normal to have some grief, anger, and other emotions when you have a major setback in life. A mental illness is different from that. A mental illness is a sickness. It is not normal, but it's okay to have those emotions. Now, before we move on to the next slide, are there any questions? Azza?
So you, who will first?
Faisal? Who?
You,
You. Repeat. Sit down.
please sit down.
Okay, sit down.
It's very not polite.
Faisal, you pick ya. 3, 2, 1.
Azza, you can ask a question to Mr. Zafran. فليتفضل مشكورا.
Masya.
Do you ever get mental issue?
No. Alhamdulillah. Okay, next question.
Next
Azam.
I have. Oh, you want 2, 3? So you say when child become teenager, right? But why is one of the major reasons is divorce?
Now, this is the common cases
reason.
is of teenagers, but
Or
adult
Say child
people.
will get divorced.
No.
so like
I
this
mean,
example. You're a teenager. You're dating someone, and that person you're dating I like someone else. Heartbreak. That's
Okay,
example
enough,
ya,
enough.
example.
And
Okay,
last question,
Raya.
Raya.
His grandfather can get mental issue.
Can.
It doesn't matter the age.
Next, the next.
What?
The what? The example. So, there is grandfather. He lived so many years, but every time he married, the married die. So he experienced many mental illness.
That's not
So
mental.
sad. That's example.
Okay. Now we will.
So before we move on to the next slide, does anybody know at least 3 types of mental illness? Azhar,
Azhar.
You mean mental illness?
you answer.
Severe emotional and physical abuse.
No, the
That's the
types.
cause. The cause.
The types.
We don't know. Okay, next.
Okay, if you
Okay.
don't know, we continue to the next slide.
The types.
Okay, so there are some types that we have inserted on the slide here. One of them is anxiety disorders. The anxiety is like one of the examples that I know is social anxiety. That means you are
Inside out too.
basically afraid to express your own emotions and yourself while in public. Like example, you want to talk with other people, but you feel that you are disturbing them, so you are scared to talk to other people. That can be social anxiety. And then there is a behavioral and emotional disorders in children, and bipolar affective disorder and depression. And one of the most common ones in teenagers especially is depression here because of
Heartbreak and others. Okay, next. Dissociation and dissociative disorders. So maybe example, you always at home.
Silent,
and you,
please. Please
example of this. Maybe you're always at home and you never go out. So you disorder. I cannot find girlfriend. I cannot have friends like
So
that.
basically, you never socialize with other people.
Perfect. Next. Eating disorders. Does this count?
Yes, yes.
Oh, it counts. Okay.
Okay.
So example. What's the example?
Like maybe you get so many bully.
Yes, you get so many
that
bully.
You don't feel like eating. Yeah, that can also cause eating disorders, and that's one of the types of mental illness.
Obsessive compulsive disorder. So example, you love someone too much. So example, you have idol. Nah, and you like because you want to see the idol, you jump over the stadium, but then you die. That can be one of the reasons of death. Obsessive compulsive disorder. And finally, paranoia. So you're always paranoid. If I go into the class, what will happen? If I do this, what will happen? If I do this, what will happen? That's called paranoia.
Overthinking.
Overthinking, basically.
Next.
Okay, next. Thank you
you
for
for
listening. Before we end the class,
silent please.
before we end the class, does anyone have any questions?
No.
Azza.
Okay.
You can ask
One
to,
last-
you can
one
ask
last
to Mr. Faisal.
One last
I
question.
want to ask Mr. Zafran.
Okay, you can ask to Mr. Zafran.
Okay.
Why must girlfriend? Why not?
Because common teenager example.
Okay. Raya,
Azam, Ryan already Azam.
Oh, Raya, Azam first.
Okay, Zafran.
You later.
Mental issue. Obsessive disorder. How you don't want to listen and that?
So example, you
Okay.
are idol.
No, I know one of the example. You know, Astroworld Tragedy.
No.
No,
But
Astroworld Tragedy.
yeah.
One of the example.
Okay.
People don't know. Simple. So example, you idol JKT and you cannot go to the concert, so you jump, die.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all for
Thank
today.
you for listening to our teaching for this day.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.